If you're about to buy an induction cooktop, you'll quickly notice there's a ton of options out there. There are different sizes and cooking zones, each offering all sorts of possibilities. I'm Lola, and in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know step by step so you can make the perfect choice for your kitchen. Before you excitedly pick out a cooktop, it's useful to check how much power your kitchen can handle. That's what we call the number of phases. Most older homes have a single-phase connection, so you'll need a single-phase cooktop. It doesn't heat up quite as quickly, but the upside is you won't need to install an extra power circuit. If you have a 2- or 3-phase connection, you can go for a more powerful cooktop that heats up faster and lets you use multiple zones at high power at the same time. If you're not sure what kind of connection you have at home, you can easily check your fuse box or have an electrician take a look. The niche dimension is literally how large the hole in your countertop needs to be. Are you replacing an existing cooktop? Then it's a good idea to measure the size of that cutout. Most cooktops fit the standard size of 56 by 49 centimeters. But if you want a wider cooktop or if your kitchen is custom made, it's definitely worth measuring carefully. Cooktops range from about 60 centimeters wide to 90 centimeters or even more. And the wider the cooktop, the more pans you can use at the same time. Do you have a really small countertop, or do you usually cook for just 2 people? Then a standard size of 60 centimeters is often more than enough. But if you cook a lot, or often use large pots and pans, then a wider cooktop is definitely more convenient. Flexible cooking zones make sure you don't have to place your pan exactly on a single zone. Some cooktops have zones you can link together into one big area, perfect for things like a grill plate. If you often cook with larger or oval pans, this is really something you'll love. 4 cooking zones is the standard. That's usually enough for everything, but there are also cooktops with 5 or even 6 zones. That's especially useful if you often cook elaborate meals or prepare several courses at once. Just keep in mind that you'll need enough counter space for that too. You usually control an induction cooktop with touch buttons or a slider. A slider works with a swiping motion and feels a bit faster and more precise. But some people actually prefer the touch buttons because you're less likely to accidentally press something. In the end, what you like best really just depends on your own preference. Make sure to check whether your cooktop comes with a plug. Not every cooktop comes with one, because some models need to be connected directly to the power circuit. At Coolblue, you can see exactly what's included with each product, so make sure to double check that before you order anything. There are lots of options, but once you know what to look for, making a choice gets a whole lot easier. Want to know if a certain cooktop is suitable for your connection or kitchen? Just check the product page or get in touch with us. Thanks for watching and good luck choosing. See you later.